Hey YouTube, this is Brooke with Loving Life's Journey. Today we are going to be installing the filtration system by Culligan in the camper. It is an under the sink setup that comes in 3 different filters. It actually didn't come with it, but you can purchase 3 different filters. We went with the premium model, which is the best, takes out the most, I guess the nasty stuff, what do you say? But it is not a water purifier. But it is a filtration, will work really well for getting anything out of your, the taste and so on and so forth. But this is what it looks like, and I'll show you what we're going to do. This is actually what comes in the kit. It will come with the filter, the bracket to mount it underneath the sink, all the hoses, the faucet that actually mounts on the countertop. It also has an indicator light on it that comes with a battery that you can actually put into it, so it will tell you the 30 days when it actually needs to be changed. But it actually is good for up to 500 gallons, and of course all your instructions. I will put a link down below to Amazon where I actually ordered this from. It's a really nice kit. It's well put together. It comes with all your attachments to be able to mount it and to be able to put it into line. So let's get started and see what we got to actually do. We're going to be putting it underneath the sink. So first things first, our camper, which you probably can't see because of light, but our camper has actually got this board that blocks off from the water lines that I'm going to take out and actually increase a lot more space in the camper underneath the sink. That's kind of overkill. So let me get started and see how it goes. And we're taking this board out. You can see it down in here a little bit better. But yeah, not impressed with this part. So take that board out, and yeah, a lot more room back in there than what they're showing. So, but yeah, you do have your hoses coming up through from your tanks. But anyway, and then here's your hot water heater. So I'm going to change this up a little bit, maximize our space. Then I'll put the filter back there in the back and keep it out of the way. So anyway, we'll go on to the next step. Okay guys, we are back. Let me turn on this light here. You can see a little bit better. But we got the faucet in. It is really nice. Pretty nice little faucet. It's got a battery that I actually have the battery hanging off of it. You can see it down there. Battery actually slides on the front of it and starts a timer on it that just kind of reminds you to change it every 30 days. Now it is good for 500 gallons is what it says. So needless to say, you're probably not going to be using as much water in the camper as what you would in the residence. But anyway, so you can kind of monitor it that way. We'll probably go ahead and put it in and just use it. It comes with the filter. Every time that you buy a new filter, it'll come with a new battery, so you switch that out just to restart that timer. But down below here, you can see that the filter is in. I went ahead and got that mounted up. The tube in the back is actually what comes down from the faucet. It's the out of the filter. And then the other tube that's coming towards us is actually the inlet, and I'm going to be bringing it over since it's right next to the hot water heater. I'm going to get a fitting that I can actually tee off of the cold water line and do it that way. Just keeps it a little cleaner. Some faucets you can actually get in behind and actually up to the cold water on the main faucet and do it up there also. But just a little easier for me to do it down below and just pick up a what they call shark bite fitting. But anyway, the install was actually, the install itself was easy. It was definitely tight to get into this place, to be able to slide back in there. I'm not exactly small, but like I said, it wasn't too bad. Got it done. It probably took, I'd say, probably about an hour, something like that, to do it. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment. or click the subscribe button. Follow us. We'd love to have you along with this trip. We're just one step closer. Another weekend project. Back to work on Monday, and then we're going to probably start the solar install. That'll probably be the next thing that we actually do. I wanted to get it done, but it got hot down here in Florida again. Keep my fingers out of the way, guys. But they got hot down here again, so we basically put it on hold until that roof cools down a little bit. I don't like getting up there when it's that hot, so I don't know if I'll damage that rubber roof or not. But anyway, for now, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. I would love to have you, click that subscribe, follow us. I will put the link down below again for the filter where we got it on Amazon. You can click down there and check it out, and go from there. For now, guys, have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.